Naniniwala si Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte na masyado pang maaga upang magsampa ng impeachment complaint laban sa kanilang dalawa ni Vice President Leni Robredo at iginit ng Pangulo katatapos lang ng eleksyon at sila ni Robredo ang iniluklok ng taong bayan. Gayunpaman, may 3 tao umano ang posibleng nasa likod ng di umano'y planong pagpapatalsik sa kanya.
They want me ousted. Who's behind it? Itong si Trillanes. Wala na, sundalo, mabuti pang security guard dito. And his elk. Sinong isa? Si Dilima. Gusto na niya akong paalisin. Pangatlo, si Leni. Natural. Kasi bakit pa siya maghintay kung nandyan yung opportunity? Barilin lang yan si ano. Well, so look at the people behind. Pagkagabi I was asked at the airport, so press conference, what can you say about the plan? You have the numbers. Sabi, look, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we just have had the elections. It's too early to be ousting people. Let Leni, alam mo, hayaan mo siya. She has also to take a stand. I understand that. It's always the contrapelo yan. And that is natural sa politics.